Playing increases sharpness of mind and mental strength.
Now we have the winners of 400-meter relay race of grade 5 boys. And the winners are Manorman, Som, Faizan, Jomit at the third position. Dhairya, Aritra, Heath at the second position. Arjun, Anubhav, Arihan at the first position.
Gold medals aren't really made of gold. They're made up of sweat, determination, and hard to find alloy called guts.
And that's what they are here for. They all want the gold medal, compete for it through all the last practice and the trial session.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the rewards. Thank you,
The
sir.
race begins.
What a lead! What a lead from at the starting of the race.
This is overtaking Prakhar. So easily he overtook Prakhar.
And the baton is now passed to the second person. 100 into 4 relay, first 100 meters completed. Clear overtake from the 5th and 6th position holders.
A clear lead by team 2.
The baton is now passed to the third person. They all are going towards the fourth person of their teams.
What a clear lead.
The baton is now passed to the fourth person. This will decide that who will win. And there is a clear lead.
Just look at the lead taken by Vikas. I don't think it can be overtaken in this race.
What a speed, and what a wonderful finish by the students of grade 7.
Let's have a huge round of applause for these winners.
And for all the participants participated.
This is another exciting relay race by grade 7. Yes, this time it's girls. The girls are getting ready. And here they go.
They begin with full speed and a very good head start. And here the baton is passed for the second lap.
We have clear leads.
See, they are just neck to neck. What a competition!
The batter is going to be passed in the third lap.
Here,
The basketball boys, the winners and the winners, please come near the net arena. The basketball boys and the girls.
and here, the baton is passed again for the final lap.
This is the final lap.
It will decide the victory.
You need to do your best here. Come on, guys, you can go.
Come on, you can do it. Come
Here
on.
we have the game changer.
And here, what a brilliant finish. I just loved it.
We have the clear winners. Congratulations. You proved yourself and you deserve this.
Now we are moving to the final races by the grade 8 boys and girls. The relay race by the grade 8 boys and girls. We have 2 Usain Bolts in our school. In DPS Jamnagar, Aharnish Anand of grade 8 and Vikas Chauhan of grade 7. Amazing athletes proving themselves at any race they go for. So let's see how the performance is in the final race.
Now, a spectacular relay race by the boys of grade 8 is going to begin in a couple of minutes.
Yes, you are absolutely right. They have to prove themselves in this race.
And now all the boys are set on their tracks.
The quicker they run, the quicker they're done. May I have your attention, please? I request Mr. Nambiar to reward the another batch of winners. I also request Miss Angana Sarkar, Middle School Coordinator, to escort Sir to the victory podium. And off the go!
What a brilliant head start by everybody.
They are proving themselves in this race and they gave their best shot.
They are rushing towards their second partner.
To begin with, we have the winners 400 meter relay team events girls of grade 5. And winners Palak, here goes the third leg. Shivatsava, Palak, Vaidava and he is Apurva of grade 5 at the third position. Firdaus Hussain Sumania, Anika, Ishika, Khadija at the second position. They get silver medals and the gold medals are backed by Rosie Khan, Krisha Patel, Shreya and Atmita.
Come on, rush towards the finish line. Kanishk and Kushal
And in
Bhaiya.
the final legs, they have finished their race.
What a brilliant overtake by Kanishk Bhaiya.
Group 1 has backed their place in the first place.
A brilliant finish by Team 1.
And second place goes to Group 2. Now we have 400 meter relay team events boys of grade 6 and the winners are Vivek, Mohit, Om and Paras at the third position. They get bronze medal. Silver medal is backed by Jai, Pradyuman. And the first position is backed by Pratik, Rahul, Sahil, Ahid. They all get gold medals.
The last but not the least event is about to approach. We have a relay for the girls of grade 8.
Yes, you're absolutely right. The girls have prepared for this moment very hard.
I can smell the enthusiasm, the energy, the confidence.
It is rightly said. Victory is paid for in sweat, courage and preparation.
Now we have the winners of 400 meter relay team event of girls of grade 6. Nandana, Hani, Hardavi, Nidhi are the bronze medal holders. Sampriti, Roshan, Rishika, Dhruvi are the silver medal holders. And the gold medal is backed by Aditi, Mishti, Bhakti and Kavita.
All are waiting for the clapper to sound.
And the clapper sounds.
All a flying start from all the racers.
We can see all of them in front.
Yes, all are crossing the limits to get the medal.
Oh, great comeback by all the players.
Now the batons are passed on to the magical hands of lap 2 players.
We can see all of them running towards the third lap players.
Yes, all of them are in full speed and it's very difficult to say who is going to win the race.
Come on, girls, prove your team win.
Now we have
Now the batons are passed.
have the winners of 400 meter relay team event of boys of grade 7. Aditya Jadeja, Aditya Sen Gupta, Avinash Kumar and Ayush Sharma at the third position. They all get this bronze medal. Piyush, Prakhar, Riyansh, Vishwajit are at the second position. Krish, Manan, Vikas and Pavitra gets the gold medal at the first position.
It's the final lap, and we can see Saloni has taken a great lead and she wins.
Clear finish by Saloni. What a wonderful relay race from the girls of grade 8. It's a very nice way to end the sports day today. A very thank you to everyone present here and for all the participants.
A big round of applause for all of them.
Now we have the winners of 400 meter relay team events girls of grade 7.
It's a humble request to all the parents
Priyanshi.
to receive the award only after the end of the program. It's a humble request to all the parents to be please seated down and to receive the award only after the end of the program.
Priyanshi, Isha, Khushi and Suman are at the third position. Adim, Aritra, Princey, Vaishali. Second position, Priyanshi, Chelsea, Shloka, Sudiksha are at the first position.
It's a humble request to all the parents to be please seated down and to receive the award only after the end of the program. The basketball winners and runners-up, please come near the victory stand. The basketball runners and winners, please come near the victory stand.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving away the rewards. Now it's time to honor the last batch of winners. I take privilege in requesting our chief guest, Brigadier Arjun Sigan, and Principal Sir to reward the winners. I also request Mr. Salin to escort them to the victory podium. There is now most awaiting moment, the winners of the march past and the runners up. The two most wanted trophies. So the runners up of the march past is a unicorn team. So I request the masters and the student prefects along with the sports teachers to please come. Unicorn House.
The leader of Unicorn House is Trishita Das. Prefix are Swapnil and Aritra.
March Past Winners Trophy goes to, any guesses? Yes, Griffin House. So I request prefects and the housemasters to please come and receive the awards. Prefects of Griffin House, please come and receive the award. Priyanshi Shah, please. Now the most awaited, the Cock House trophies, which is for the overall performance of the houses throughout the year. And the runner-up is Griffin House. Now last but the least, the biggest trophy, that is the Cock House Trophy winners, and the team is, let me give some clues, the team that symbolizes passion, sincerity, power and strength. So it is Phoenix House. So congratulations to the Phoenix House winners, all the masters, captains and the prefects. Aman Prabhakar. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving away the rewards. I request Aparna ma'am to present vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is a true honor to have this opportunity to stand here and thank all those who have made our first annual Sports Day 2016 spectacular. On behalf of Delhi Public School Jamnagar, the Board of Trustees, staff and students, I offer my earnest gratitude to our honorable and esteemed chief guest, Brigadier Arjun Sigan, Mr. and Mrs. Nambiar, our respected parents, having taken out your valued time to be with us on our first annual Sports Day. This grand Sports Day clearly and truly portrays students' athletic abilities, confidence and compliance to the norms and values, which is the backbone of any sporting event. Before I end my speech, I would like to thank respected Principal Sir, to our coordinators, my worthy staff members, our admin department, Monu Sir and team of governors, Stalin Sir and his team, art and craft department, music department. Special thanks to Mr. Marva and the sports team. All my dear students whose tireless efforts, devotion and dedication made this day a grand success. Now, I would request all the dignitaries, guests of the day, and my dear students to get ready for the national anthem.
School, stand at ease. School, attention. School standards. School attention. एक साथ ऊंची आवाज में राष्ट्रगान शुरू करेगा. शुरू कर.
शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
भारत माता की
जय.
भारत माता की
जय.
भारत माता की
जय.